Hello everyone, Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com here in Lewis Beach, Delaware. Welcome to this tutorial on MIDI files and how to use them to your advantage. Now, if you have one of my book bundles, you know that about 5 or 6 weeks ago I started sending out the MIDI file. And we learned that was very helpful during our live session. I'm going to show you how to use it to your advantage, because as you know, I usually play the music exactly the way it's written and keep it easy for you guys out there. But I'm now just playing the way I would normally play it professionally with the MIDI file. And the reason is all the extra notes and things I'm doing in the right hand are going to be right on the screen of the Genos or the Tyros if you turn the score on. So you'll still be able to just follow with the easy version with the music, but you can also learn how to even play it better and sound more professional with the MIDI file. Now, I'm going to show you how to use it right now, and whether you have a book bundle or you purchased your Genos or Tyros from us, the settings are already in there for all the buttons, because that, as soon as you load my banks and things like that, the whole Genos and Tyros is set up the way I used it, so you'll find it very easy to do. So let's take a look at the last MIDI file I did so that I can show you what to do. Now basically you're going to be able to turn off the right hand whenever you want with the track, which I'm going to show you to turn that off, and you can just play the right hand and practice all those extra notes that I put in while I'm playing the chords for you in the left hand. Once you get that part down, then you can start playing the chords, and it's going to be a great teaching tool. So let's get a close-up look. Okay, so if you bought the book bundle or your Genos, all my settings are in there, assignables and everything. So what we're going to do here is hit Song. We're going to go to Song D, and you can see it's empty. I'm going to my USB, and on my USB are everything I need. Here's weekly MIDI files, and we just did More Than You Know. So there we are. Now, if you push assignable B, there's your score with the chords and all the extra notes that I played there. So let's listen to it real quick. Now what I'm going to do is hit assignable A, and there's all my tracks. So your Genos is set up. Now if you don't have my book bundle, you can just put your assignables the way you need them. So you can see the piano is on track 1. Now I put 2 sounds on there. So in the beginning just the piano was going, and then on the next OTS it was piano and vibe. So if you just turn off piano and vibe, okay, and I would think also number 4, but we'll just listen now. I'm going to rewind back, right back out so it starts at the beginning. And let's just hit Song again and get in there, and More Than You Know, and we'll pull up the score. Alright, so now when I hit my assignable A, I'm going to turn off my piano and my vibes because I did my homework there. Now let's listen. you can hear the right hand is off there. So if we stop it, we'll rewind it. Here we go. See, you can do the whole right hand work there and learn everything, and you'll even look back on it where I've hit 2 chords. Anything I do in the chords is right up there as well. And if I just hit rewind here, you can see I hit the F and then the F7 real quick. See that? So that's pretty cool. Let me zoom back in. So you can see as I played it, I actually hit the F first and then the F7 real quick. So everything's on the score with me sending out these MIDI files. But keep in mind, you can still play it the easy way. So that makes it nice for everyone. Okay, next I'm going to show you what else you can do with the MIDI file. Instead of playing, you could be singing. Leave the same tracks off because your voice is going to be the lead note, and let's see how that works. Okay, so the first thing is I'm going to just be reading the words right off the music. I can't put the words on a MIDI file that I write. I don't have the software for it, and plus I don't think it'd be legal, so we're not going to do that. So anyway, let's take a look at what we got to do now. Okay, so the first thing I did was I used my transpose button because I can't sing it in the key that it's written in. So I went up 4, and that's going to put me okay. Now, I've never sang this song before, but we're going to do it anyway. So here we go, and this is how you do it. Push play, pause, press your play button. More than you know, more than you know. Girl of my heart, I love you so. Lately I'll find you're on my mind, more than you know. Whether you're right or whether you're wrong, girl of my heart, I'll string along. You need me so, more than you'll ever know. Okay, so I'm done recording. I'm just going to hit stop. And we're ready to go here, okay? We're going to go to song A, and there's audio 1 there. So we're going to hit audio 1, file, copy, copy again, USB, and this is an audio file. So I'm just going to copy it here for now on my USB, just for the heck of it. And you can see, there it is. Now you can rename it now, more than you know, just by going into File, Rename, and name it More Than You Know. But we'll hit this button here, and we'll just hit play, and she's gonna go. Press your play button. More than you know, more than you know, girl of my heart. So there you go. There it is. It's on the USB. Just take it to your computer and burn your CD. Okay, so other than my singing, that was a lot of fun, wasn't it? You didn't know your Genos and Tyros, they have $1 million recording studio in them. I didn't even use vocal harmony. There's so many things I could have done on that song, but I just decided to sing it last second, and I'd never sang the song before, as it probably sounded like that. But all you have to do is find that key in the transpose, and you're good. Now, let's say you want to save it that way. You can actually save it with the transpose 2 to store it on your thumb drive, to play along over top of it. I mean, there's so many things you can do now that I'm doing this MIDI file each week. It's going to help you learn how to play better, have more fun with your Genos or Tyros, and remember, stay 6 feet away from the screen so you don't catch what I got, okay? So until next time, Mike Mixon from Keyboard America saying, have a great day, have fun, keep playing, and I'll see you very soon.